In today's video, we're installing the old school vintage OOGA horn and giving this car to a family that needs it. Let's go ahead and get started.
Invaders Honor.
Welcome to More Motorsports Garage. If you're new here, please click that subscribe button. Before we get started with the install, I did want to let you guys know I am donating this car to a family that is in need. I actually posted it up for sale because we're hard up for money right now, and they sent me a message asking for payments, which we don't do payments, been screwed over too many times. So I decided to pray about it, and God answered my prayer at the next Sunday service, and basically just told me to give them the car and don't expect anything returned. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. We're going to bless this family with this car. I would do video, but that just doesn't feel right to me to put them on camera because their vehicle went down. But I did want to let you know, the more you guys share the videos, the more I can bless other people like this, because this is actually what I love doing, is to help other people. But just wanted to say that before we get started. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Now this is from SICKSPEED. I'll leave a link in the description. And I already tested it. You can see the package is open, and it sounds exactly like what I want. It's hard to find a really good sounding OOGA horn. A lot of them just kind of suck. The one from Harbor Freight's not too great. My dad used that one, but this one sounds a lot better. So I'll definitely show you how to install that. If you guys could please hit the like button, drop a comment below. Because of all of you guys sharing my videos and liking them, I'm able to give this car away to someone who actually needs it. So it feels good to be able to do that, and it's because of you guys constantly sharing and commenting and stuff. So please share this around, greatly appreciate it. While I was at it, I went ahead and buffed the headlights right here. You can see they were kind of dull. I just went ahead and hit them with the buffer and some compound, and they cleaned up pretty nice on both sides and very visible now. But as you can see, the headlights came out really nice on both sides. So now they have perfect visibility, which will be great. Under the hood, I went ahead and did some more stuff. Went ahead and painted on the intake manifold. Just those lines right there with some paint pen, and it looks pretty good. And put an intake system on it, and this thing runs fantastic, so they should absolutely love it. But I'm going to be going ahead and removing the grill, so that way we can put the OOGA horn down in there. And I'll set you guys up on the tripod. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Before I get started, I wanted to show you that's where the factory horn is located, behind the splash guard. This one's been missing half of it since I got the car. We're just going to unplug those two connectors and run them up to the grill. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, so on the PT Cruiser, these grills are fairly easy to remove. There's 4 total 6mm bolts. So we're going to go ahead and just remove all 4. And after they are out, it's as simple as just pulling the grill. Okay, now that we've got all that removed, I think I'm going to run this thing somewhere like this, maybe behind it. Okay, that should work right there. I will obviously bolt it in. Okay, so the bolt slides in just like that right there. Then we have the nut, so once we drill a hole, we'll be able to just put the nut right through it and tighten it down. It's pretty simple. Probably gonna run it right here. That way I don't have to drill anything if we do that. Go ahead and tighten it down. Nice and solid. So now we'll run those 2 wires, negative and positive, and then we'll try the horn. Okay, now that the wires are installed, very simple install, we can actually test the horn, so we'll go ahead and do that real quick. Now that we've tested, make sure it works, we can put all this back together and we'll hear what it sounds like with the camera not so close, because I'm sure it distorted a little bit, but we'll go ahead and put the grill back on. And that's it. Well, since all that is done, the only thing left to do is take it out for a drive and hear how it sounds when I lay on the horn while driving. So I hope you guys are enjoying the video. That's awesome. Okay, so after I did there were a couple guys in the parking lot next to the gas station, and they were like doing the OOGA, OOGA noises and telling me to do it again. I don't know if we could pick it up on camera, but it's pretty funny. That's awesome. They really like the PT Cruiser. They were giving thumbs up and stuff. So yeah, it's definitely a really nice ride. It's really smooth, very comfortable, hot heater, cold AC. These PT Cruisers are highly underestimated as far as ride comfort and things. Like, a lot of people talk down on them, but I think they're pretty good. As long as you take care of them, keep up on your coolant, oil changes, replace the timing belt as needed, these things will probably last quite a while. I mean, this has 142,800 miles, but yeah, it's doing fantastic. Got all the codes to go away from check engine. Swapped the computer out and the new key fob and stuff like that, and took care of a bunch of problems because the old computer was bad. But yeah, we're heading back to my house now, and as soon as we get back there, we will go over some more. So I hope you guys are enjoying the video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit that like button. It helps me tremendously. But we're gonna head back. Well, there you have it. It's definitely running good, sounds good, and from the people giving me the thumbs up, they seem to like the horn. But yeah, overall, it's a really nice car. I would love to do one of the turbo PT Cruisers in the future, one that I could actually keep, because I'm not gonna lie, these PT Cruisers, they definitely grew on me, for sure. As long as they're in good shape and well taken care of, I think they're pretty decent cars. You can see we've got all this in here painted. I don't know if you've seen that in the previous video. They make TN suspension, so you can lower it down and it still ride good. I was gonna do window tint, but I was gonna do either an amber, like a yellow window tint, or a transparent red, because I thought that would be really cool and unique for a build, particularly like this one. Taking some like meets and little car show things, even though it's not car show quality. One of these days I want to do a car show quality car. Someone actually mentioned that in the comment section, and I would love to actually be able to take my time and do that. It's just kind of hard to do with this being my only garage. We're still working on a shop. It's all in God's hands at this point, so we're just gonna let him take care of it all. But yeah, I really hope the new family that gets this absolutely enjoys it. It's a super fun, awesome looking car, and hope to see it on the channel again in the future. Maybe whenever they have car meets, they can bring it to the car meets. I'll talk to them about all that. But yeah, it's definitely one of a kind for sure. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video along with my other ones. If you haven't watched the Rat Rod Cruiser process from the beginning, I made a playlist so that way you can go watch it from when I got the thing to where it's at now. And yeah, support the channel if you can, just by hitting that share button and subscribing and hitting that like button. If you drop comments, it does help tremendously, so definitely do that. And stay tuned, because we definitely have more coming. Hopefully in the near future I can be using the Maxpeedingrods generator. We may have found a way to do like a portable paint booth, so that way I can get some painting done. It won't be done here, it'll be done at another location, but that'll be all determined on how everything works out. But hopefully we can get some more painting in. I have something really awesome to do with my wife's Acura MDX that has not been done yet, so I think it'll be really cool. One of a kind paint job for sure. So we'll just have to stay tuned and see how all that goes. But that is basically it for this video. If you guys liked it, please share it around. I'll see you guys in the next one. As I like to say, God bless, stay safe, stay awesome.